Welcome to Business Training Media, your premier destination for online courses in career skills, business growth strategies, personal finance, and professional development. Whether you're here to sharpen your professional skills, gain valuable career insights, start or grow a business, or embark on a path of personal development, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll review one of the top-rated dividend investing online courses for generating monthly passive income. We're also going to tell you where you can find this course, so be sure to watch to the end. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. Today we're diving into the course Dividend Stocks Investing, Generating Monthly Passive Income. This course is a game changer for anyone looking to secure their financial future by strategically investing in dividend stocks. With an impressive average rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars and over 9,500 students enrolled, this course has clearly struck a chord with those eager to create a consistent stream of passive income. Whether you're a beginner or someone with some investing experience, this course offers a comprehensive guide to mastering the art of monthly dividend stock investing. It aims to equip you with the tools and knowledge needed to build a sustainable, low-risk investment portfolio that can generate regular income and help you achieve financial independence. What is monthly dividend investing? Monthly dividend investing is a strategy where investors focus on building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks or funds that distribute earnings on a monthly basis. Unlike traditional investments that may pay dividends quarterly or annually, monthly dividend stocks provide a steady stream of income each month, making them an attractive option for those seeking consistent cash flow. This approach is particularly appealing to retirees, income-focused investors, and anyone looking to supplement their regular income with reliable, predictable returns. By reinvesting these dividends or using them to cover living expenses, investors can take a more active role in managing their financial future. What you will learn from this course. The course is meticulously designed to walk you through every step of dividend stock investing. Key learning outcomes include: Number 1. The blueprint to financial freedom. The course provides a clear roadmap to financial independence by teaching you how to harness the power of monthly dividend stocks. Number 2. Building a solid foundation. Learn the essential prerequisites for embarking on your investing journey, including setting up your financial goals and aligning them with your investment strategy. Number 3. Seizing opportunities. Understand how to identify and capitalize on market opportunities, especially during downturns, to enhance your investment portfolio. Number 4. Step-by-step evaluation. This course dives deep into evaluating monthly dividend stocks with systematic financial tests and data analysis, ensuring you pick high-potential stocks for your portfolio. Number 5. Optimizing your portfolio. This course teaches you about asset allocation, maintaining an investment journal, and using technical indicators to optimize your portfolio's performance. Number 6. Extra diversification. The course also emphasizes the importance of diversifying your investments beyond dividend stocks to ensure long-term financial stability. These course modules are complemented by practical resources such as articles, downloadable materials, and access to mobile and TV viewing options, making it a versatile learning experience. The course's structure and delivery method. This online course offers 3.5 hours of on-demand video content, supplemented by 8 articles and 16 downloadable resources. This is further enhanced by the convenience of full lifetime access and a certificate of completion upon finishing the course. The course videos are clear, engaging, and well-paced, ensuring that even beginners can easily follow along. The instructor breaks down complex concepts into manageable sections, allowing students to absorb the information at their own pace. Who is this course for? The Dividend Investing for Generating Monthly Passive Income course is ideal for beginners. If you are new to stock investing, this course provides a fast track to mastering dividend investing, offering a solid foundation to build upon. Intermediate investors. For those with some knowledge of the stock market, the course offers advanced insights into optimizing and diversifying your portfolio for better returns. And finally, this course is also ideal for anyone seeking financial freedom. If your goal is to generate a reliable stream of passive income and achieve financial independence, this course is designed to help you reach those milestones. The course strengths. One of the course's standout features is its emphasis on practical application. The instructor doesn't just provide theoretical knowledge, but guides you through real-world scenarios, helping you develop the confidence to apply what you've learned immediately. The course's holistic approach, combining technical analysis, portfolio management, and diversification strategies, ensures that you're well-equipped to navigate the complexities of the stock market. Another significant advantage is the course's focus on long-term wealth building. It teaches you how to create a compounding investment strategy that can lead to substantial financial growth over time. Areas of improvement. While the course is comprehensive, it could benefit from more interactive elements, such as quizzes or assignments, to reinforce learning and allow students to test their understanding as they progress. Additionally, a community forum or discussion group would provide students with the opportunity to connect with peers, share insights, and seek advice. Final verdict. The Dividend Stocks Investing course for generating monthly passive income is an exceptional resource for anyone serious about achieving financial freedom through stock investing. Its high rating and large enrollment numbers are testaments to the course's effectiveness in delivering valuable, actionable knowledge. With a step-by-step guide to building and optimizing a dividend-focused portfolio, this course offers both the depth and breadth needed to transform your financial future. Whether you are just starting or looking to refine your investing strategy, this course is a must-have on your path to financial independence. Are you prepared to embark on a transformative journey where you'll emerge as an unstoppable force in the world of investing? If you're serious about mastering stock investing, be sure to check out the course Dividend Stocks Investing, Generating Monthly Passive Income on Udemy. You can find the link in our description. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your investment skills and secure a steady income stream. Enroll today and start your journey toward financial independence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Your support helps us reach more people. We wish you both personal and professional success in all your endeavors. Thanks for watching and best of luck.